And I wanted so desperately to be like the flower in the spring, delicately blooming into its fullest potential, showing you brilliant colors that you have never before known. And I wanted so desperately to be like the sunlight in the earliest morning, shining between Manhattan's skyline somewhere on 20th Street. It blinds you for a second, but once you look again, you see the beams of light glistening upon a trash can. And there you see her all of a sudden, God, in that trash can. And she is real, she is here. She is reminding you that even in the filthiest moments, you are pure. You are safe. You are loved. And I wanted so desperately to be like the flowing of the seas on the eastern shore, coming in close, strong, and confident, blessed in her power to go with the flow of the earth and the moon.